What did you say?
We're going to do 1 mile at a time, and we're going to count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, finish line.
I agree with that. There's no problem. Slow runners they take time to smell the roses.
Rub each other's feet.
They don't puke. They don't stink. Right?
No stinking.
No stinking. No puking.
No puking.
Just running.
That's right. Run, walk. Run, walk.
Is it your first 50?
Yes. First 50.
But you already did some 50.
Now I did a 60K.
60K, which is how many miles?
37.3.
Oh, wow. Was it hard?
No, not really.
Really?
No. And I didn't train for it like I trained for this.
So you're more confident with this one?
Oh, we're going to get done. Run, walk, or crawl.
Or cry.
Maybe all 4.
And we stay together.
Stay together, yes.
Stay together, talk,
laugh,
everything.
Be
right?
merry.
Well, yeah.
And think about Susan.
Ah, yes, Susan.
And Shauna.
And Shauna.
Yes.
And who else?
That's the only ones that were able to do it.
Yeah. Everybody else is going to do it. And about Teresa, because she's going to be doing 100 miles. Teresa
And Ralph.
and Ralph. But Ralph, he already did it, so he's like expert.
Yeah.
She's newbie.
Yep.
What do you say?
Newbie.
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 Okay. So we're ready, right?
We're ready.
And we're going from Litchfield to Paducah, right?
Yes.
But we're going to stop by the...
Quilting store.
Because you'd like to do quilting, right?
I'm going to help you buy quilting stuff.
And my husband is gonna cry because all I do is buying running shoes and fabric.
Well, at least you'll have your toga outfit with your running shoes. But it'll be a quilt instead of a sheet.
What are they doing? I thought those are statues, but they're...
Oh, they're changing the sign out.
Okay.
For a free movie.
A free movie. Really?
At the church.
Ah, at the church.
May not be a very
The
good
weather is
movie.
going to be perfect, I think.
Weather will be good.
60 degree.
50s.
50s. Oh, man. But at 5 p.m. it's gonna be cold.
Dropping, yeah. Not bad. We'll be good.
It'll be good.
We'll be good. We put on dry clothes, warm clothes. We'll be good.
So, Jules and Noreen are following us somewhere on the countryside. I can see their car. It's right there.
Just don't look how dirty the windows are.
You don't clean your car.
Not like my house.
We need Teresa to come clean your house.
She needs to clean my car. I don't know. There's 3 big dogs in my house right now, so.
You have 3 dogs.
Yeah, I'm dog sitting.
How many dogs do you have now?
One is mine. My girlfriend left for Kuwait today, so her German Shepherd's at my house, and I have another dog I'm dog sitting for.
But you're not dog sitting, you're here with me.
I left him with my son.
So you said I'm dog sitting, but I'm on the way to my 50 miles. So, shh, okay?
They know.
Okay. The dog?
No, the owners. The owners know.
The owners know.
Yeah.
But your friend, she's in Kuwait. Maybe she doesn't know.
She's leaving for Kuwait. She left today.
Today.
And I talked to her.
Make a right turn.
I talked to her.